Today we're going to talk about backups. The most important thing you can do in imaging equipment is a backup. If you don't have a backup and your hard drive crashes, or you have a configuration issue and you don't have a backup, you're out of luck. Today, I'm going to show you how to perform a backup. This is how you perform a single backup. In Service, go to Backup and Restore, Backup, and basically you have a choice. Local would be the C drive. You can also go to a CD or DVD or a USB stick, which is the most popular option. Then hit Go. It will tell you that it's going to lose the last backup because it can only store 5, because it's automatically storing 1 on the C drive. Hit OK, and the backup will usually take about 15 minutes. But you're basically backing up everything specific to your site. It's also important to do a backup or ghost of the hard drive. There are many products out there that do an incredible job of backing up your entire system. It doesn't matter which one you use as long as it does the job. It's very important that you do a backup of the image. For any further questions, please see our resources or contact us.